amazing, beautiful people, and welcome back to another reaction video. And today we are checking out another new artist from India, and that is the one and only Amit Trivedi. Now let me know if I'm pronouncing his name right in the comments down below. In my last few reactions, we've been checking out Arman, we've been checking out G.O.T, we've been checking out all these amazing Indian and Bollywood artists. It's just been one incredible rabbit hole, and a name that keeps coming up, and a song that keeps coming up, is Amit Trivedi's Sound of the Nation. So, I think it is long overdue. I finally heard what all the fuss was about, and I finally did a first time reaction to this video. So I'm going to stop talking. This intro has been long enough already. You have all waited long enough for this video. So let's jump straight into my first time ever reaction to Amit Trivedi.
घर जन्नत है ज़मीं पे कहीं यहीं पर है हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो घर फिरदौस पर रुए ज़मीन अस्त हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो घर जन्नत है ज़मीं पे कहीं यहीं पर है हमी अस्तो पश्मीना धागों के संग कोई आज बुने ख्वाब ऐसे कैसे वादी में गूंजे करी नए साज ये रबाब ऐसे कैसे पश्मीना धागों के संग
I can already tell. We're only a minute into this. I can already tell this is going to be one of my favorite new performances. 100% I can already tell with the a cappella group, with the different sounds, and this man's voice. Already I can tell you, this is going to be one of my favorite. This is going to be one of my favorites. Look at everyone's smiles and everything.
कागज के दो पंख लेके उड़ा चला जाए रे जहाँ नहीं जाना था ये वही चला है रे उम्र का ये ताना बाना समझ न पाए रे जुबा पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे के देखे न भाले न जाने न दाए रे दिशाहारा केमन बोका मुंटा रे प्राण पाखी मोर उइरा যায় খাঁচা ভেঙে পীড়িত বড় জ্বালা রে বড় জ্বালা রে প্রাণ পাখি মোর উইরা যায়
Who's this man? This man's incredible. This man's incredible. Who's this man? What have you said? The person who recommended this to me said to me that this was one of the best live performances they think they've ever seen. Let me just tell you right now, I am leaning towards agreeing with you.
খাঁচা ভেঙে
by the way. What an absolutely beautiful voice. What an absolutely beautiful voice. Who is this woman? Who are these people? I thought we were just going to be hearing Amit. We got all of these amazing people singing as well. Beautiful voice.
केसरिया बाल में आओ सा पधारो महाराज दे
जी मन दीद करावो जी अरे क्यों तरसावे हो मन सकल दिखावो जी थारी सरोरत सब जानू मैं चौधरी हरसले वो निपंगा जी मैं कहन लगी हर ईवड़े में जागी धोकनी चंदा में थारी चांदनी दामन में बांधी खुशी रे झुम 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 झुम्बा झुम ओ हर ईवड़े में जागी धोकनी चंदा में थारी चांदनी दामन में बांधी खुशी रे झुम 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 झुम
I love this. I love this so much. I love this so much. I can't believe this whole world, this whole culture of music that I hadn't even like heard before. It just gets better and better with every single recommendation you amazing people give me. All of you beautiful, amazing people watching this right now, thank you. Thank you. It's literally all of this whole world of music I am exploring is just because of you giving me recommendations. This is a fantastic recommendation. This is an amazing live performance. Different sounds, different styles, different people coming in and out. We're getting like it's like having 100 songs in one. It's wonderful.
नवराई माझी लाडाची ग आवडतीला चंद्राची ग नवराई माझी लाडाची ग आवडतीला चंद्राची ग नवराई माझी नवसाची ग अप्सरा जशी इंद्राची ग
I'm going to need one of you amazing people to, in the comments section, let me know who all of these people are. All of them. I want to know all of their names. They're all incredible.
हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेलाई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई 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 ओ हे शुभारंभ मंगल बेलाई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई जमी पे हमको बोना है अशक मोती ससों की माला हमें पिरोना है अपना बोझ मिल के साथ हमको ढोना है शहनाई 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 रस रचिलो साथ सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी आछा टमटमाता शमणावो छे लावी
One thing I love so much about Indian music is it seems ageless. It seems absolutely ageless. All these different artists I'm checking out, some of them are young, some of them are old, all of them have absolutely fantastic voices. It seems like you have such a wide variety and diversity when it comes to the age of these performers and these singers. It's amazing how many just all over the spectrum. It's incredible. Like this man right here, an older gentleman, has an absolutely incredible voice. Amazing voice, and it's so upbeat and energetic as well. I absolutely love it.
కండిషనం హే అర్థం క్వికపం హిలడుల సబ్ షేకపం ఫేస్ టు ఫేసం ధరతి పూతరం టాప్ టు బేసం కామసూత్రం థైజం థండరం డౌనం మండరం సైజం మ్యాటరం థింకం వండరం జంపింగం పంపింగం థ్రాబింగం థంపింగం
The acapella group is so animated as well. I love it.
तू हो गई 1 to 2 ओ कुड़िए what to do ओ हो गई मुंडे
All of these sounds and styles are all completely different. I'm absolutely I love this so much. This is amazing. This should have been my first time ever reaction to Indian music. Just introducing all these different sounds and styles, all these different people. The acapella group is constantly moving, so energetic on the side of the stage. This is wonderful. This is wonderful.
तू हो गई 1 to 2 ओ कुड़िए what to do ओ हो गई मुंडे दी पतंगा वर्गी तू एवें उड़दी ओ हो गई मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी टुक टुक तू करदी मेकअप तू करदी यार अंग्रेजी पढ़दी गिट पिट तू करदी जिवें क्वीन साडी विक्टोरिया तू घंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन चमकदा ओ जदों नच्चे भैन दी पूरा लंदन चमकदा तू घंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन चमकदा ओ जदों नच्चे भैन दी पूरा लंदन चमकदा
If anyone ever got to see this live, I'm so jealous. To witness something like this, something this special, live in person with your own eyes, so jealous. I can imagine it is an experience like nothing else.
अंदर दा कुत्ता अज गड़िए अग दुनिया पेट्रोल चल सुटिए अंदर दा कुत्ता अज गड़िए अग दुनिया पेट्रोल चल सुटिए पाउडर किराना का रखेगा कौन हिसाब हाउड़ दा पंजाब हाउड़ दा पंजाब हाउड़ दा पंजाब हाउड़ दा पंजाब
No, there's 2 more minutes. There's 2 more minutes. For a second, I was like, "Are we over here?" Even though this is 12-minute long, I don't want this to end. This has been one of the most fun and energetic and amazing reactions I've recorded. It's amazing. It's amazing. I'm loving this so much.
मिर्ची अवार्ड्स फॉर गिविंग दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. हर कंपोजर का एक ड्रीम होता है. मेरा भी एक ड्रीम था कि मैं अपने देश के साउंड्स को लेके कुछ करूं, और मुझे आज इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे ये मौका मिला कि मैं अपने देश के म्यूज़िक को एक साथ इकट्ठे बाइंड करके एक ही स्टेज पे लाऊं. And it wouldn't have been possible without these amazing artists on stage. And this is the sound of our nation. Hope you guys have liked it. And this is what makes me love my zindagi. So on that note, love my zindagi.
जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 हाय. जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 बाय. आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय. जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 लव यू जिंदगी love you zindagi
this is just the best.
love you zindagi
This is just the best.
love me zindagi
That was so awesome. That was so awesome. So awesome. The only thing is I wish that I could have heard the original, because I know that was an edited version, right? That wasn't the actual live sound behind. That was like an edited version. Oh, I wish I could have heard it. That was amazing. That was amazing. Can someone please explain it to me as well? I'm presuming, just based off of the song and what I think is right, that this is like a different sounds, different regions and dialects maybe of India. You know, I'm just guessing here, and these are all those little different styles coming together in one song. That's sort of what this is about. This was absolutely incredible. An amazing live performance. So many different sounds and styles. So many different forms of energy. The a cappella group were incredible. Every singer was amazing. The instruments were all amazing. It was just like taking a journey through India with music. It was wonderful. An absolutely wonderful experience. An amazing performance. One of the most fun and amazing live shows I've seen. It was awesome. Fantastic talent all around. Every single person on that stage, amazingly talented. This was just wonderful. I want to listen to it again. I want to listen to it again. I was just smiling the whole way through. The energy was addictive. Contagious. It was wonderful. Thank you so much for all of you for giving me these recommendations. I read all the comments on my videos, so a lot of you are leaving comments recommending new artists. Whatever's like the most upvoted and most requested songs and artists are the ones I've been checking out. So if you want to recommend a new artist or a new song, put it in the comments down below. I'll read it and I'll take your recommendation. Thank you very much for liking and subscribing and supporting my little channel here on YouTube. You're all absolutely incredible. Thank you so much for being so kind. I hope you have the best day ever. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And as always, my friends, you see me in the next video.